guys, it's me, Sean, and have a look at this. It's cloudy and rainy outside. So I suggested we could do a rainy dance. You could do your own dance on this dance. You could do this dance. Oh, and by the way, this dance is called Ocean Wind. And this one is Tropical Breeze. So, I'd like you to dance along and do the actions with me. Let's all dance to the rainy dance. Now we're gonna do the dance again, but this time different. So let's all do the dance again in different style. Why don't we do the dance one more time to regular dancing? Wow, that dance was amazing! But now, it's time to sing the goodbye song before we go.
Hey, this was really fun.
We hope you liked it too.
Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well, that's okay.
'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know.
Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.
Goodbye!
Today,
I hope to see you again real soon.
we'll be waiting for you to come and play. To come and play. To come and play.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, thanks for visiting me today. Bye. Oh, and by the way, when it rains, you can do the rain dance. Bye.